Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, April 8th, 2001, 9:30 p.m. My dear son, you still have some more happy years ahead of you to build the mission's foundations. It is advancing in spite of everything. It is put into orbit and will at all costs follow its own path. Keep joyful, whatever may happen. Human beings inevitably make trouble. Keep your eyes focused on summits instead of looking down at miasmas in the valley. Advance courageously, as you always did. We are very satisfied and support you in all. That is what we wanted to tell you tonight, my dear son, with all our blessings. Babuji Maharaj. Monday, April 9th, 2001, 8 am. To my son, difficulties will arise from all sides. In France, spirits become heated and are focused on all spiritual movements they don't know. A new situation is taking place and it is likely to go on. The French people will wake up one day, wearied of being manipulated and frustrated in many aspects of their life. What is sown in a fertile soil cannot be lost. Times that will be more favorable will come, and the mission in France will blossom again in this country when it has found its right place in it. These campaigns of calumny are fomented by very powerful dark forces acting in the darkness in this country as well as everywhere in this world. This country being, however, their chosen territory. Calumny meaning false statement for damaging the reputation of somebody. It will be necessary to show a great deal of patience and to wait for more favorable days. Real faith cannot be lost. It is strengthened in the silence of the hearts and comes to light in due time. This movement belongs to life cycles. It must be considered as it is and should not weaken that which commenced well in this country with so much enthusiasm and was a sign of the real need for a spiritually divested of superfluities. It will lose nothing by waiting for the right moment before eventually expressing itself freely. Babuji Maharaj.